My name is Matthew Silverman, and I am currently serving as the National President for the Federal Law Enforcement Officers Association. I joined FLEOA like many other people when I didn't know too much about FLEOA, and I wanted that legal coverage just in case something happened while on the job. So we have seen a major change within the different administrations right now, which has created a lot of stir with a lot of our different agencies. Because of that, we've had a lot of different law enforcement officers who have never been members of FLEOA decide to join FLEOA and become a member of FLEOA. I see a lot of things changing coming up in the near future. With the immigration and customs enforcement operations that we're doing, with the Safe Street task forces that we're doing all over, including Memphis, Chicago, and Washington, D.C. I think there's a lot more to come with what was going to be thrown upon us as federal agents, and I think everybody needs to realize FLEOA is there to help protect them in case something comes up. FLEOA is not just about officer or agent involved shootings. FLEOA is about the routine internal affairs complaints that might be brought up by another member of your agency. It could be an off-duty incident that happens. It could be a multitude of areas that our legal protection could help you out. If anybody is going to sit back and say, I will never need FLEOA or I will never need an attorney, they don't know the first thing about law enforcement. Law enforcement will creep up on you and stuff will creep up on you when you have no idea that it's coming. And to spend $174 a year to ensure that you're protected is pennies in that bank compared to what it's going to cost you if, God forbid, you do need FLEOA. And I'll say this also, I probably get about 5 to 7 phone calls a month from law enforcement officers and agents who are not currently members of FLEOA, who need FLEOA. They never thought they would in the past, but they're begging me to let them come on prior or after their accident or after their incident happened, and we don't let that happen. We are a professional, nonpartisan organization. We are on both sides of the aisle, and we need to be on both sides of the aisle to get our legislation passed. It's not about Republicans, it's not about Democrats. Although this administration right now is sitting in office, and we need to make sure that we are doing what we can for them so we continue to have a seat at the table. If you are not a FLEOA member, I'm urging you to sign up as quickly as possible. Like stated previously, I get about 5 to 7 phone calls or emails every single month begging for that person who is not a member to be able to get the legal coverage that they need in order to either prevail in a case or not spend their life savings to fight a case. So in order to get the legal services, you need to be a member prior to that action happening. So I'm begging you, so I don't have to make that hard decision, and tell those agents and officers, no, we can't protect you, that you join for $174 a year, which will cover your legal fees tenfold of what it would cost you if you did not have legal from FLEOA.